Hello, friends. Happy New Year's to all of you. Many payments will be automatically deposited and mailed out to low-income households. Officials have announced that some Americans may accidentally miss out on extra financial assistance, and thousands of dollars may be available to claim right now. My friends, please make sure that you watch until the end of this video for all of the information that you'll need to know. I will also be announcing another winner for the Walmart gift card giveaway in a video later today. So my friends, please make sure that you click and like several of my videos and then comment below the keyword of each video that you watch. Remember, the more videos that you watch and leave a comment on, the greater your chances of winning these giveaways. Now friends, according to Yahoo News, many Americans have been throwing away free money this year, though it's not necessarily their fault. Residents in the state of California have accidentally tossed out their $1,050 middle-class tax refund checks, which are the biggest relief checks in state history. And in the city of Houston, it has also been confirmed that many Texans had also mistakenly discarded their $600 stimulus payments. It has also happened in the state of Virginia. As NBC News has reported, part of the issue is that many of these checks are not checks at all, but rather prepaid debit cards, and they're enclosed in envelopes that look similar to junk mail. But friends, according to Yahoo News, states and governments have call lines if you accidentally dispose or shred your stimulus payment, so you will be able to receive your relief. There are also still many residents of the state of Massachusetts that are waiting for their tax refund check. The first round of checks and direct deposits from the $3 billion in excess tax revenue started going out to taxpayers 3 weeks ago when the calendar switched to November. But that doesn't mean that everyone gets them on the same schedule. About 3 million people will receive one of those refunds. But to qualify for a refund right now, you must have filed a 2021 state tax return on or before October 17th of this year. The money is being returned to eligible taxpayers by the State Department of Revenue that was incurred in the immediately preceding taxable year, which was tax year 2021. The administration said eligible taxpayers will receive a credit in the form of a refund that's approximately 14% of their Massachusetts tax year 2021 personal income tax liability. So as an example, a person who made $50,000 last year and paid the state back $2,500 may receive about $350 back. Anyone who has not yet filed their 2021 tax return but does so by September 15, 2023, will still be eligible to receive this refund. Those individuals, if eligible, will receive their refund automatically approximately 1 month after their filing. The Internal Revenue Service has announced that it will be raising interest rate for underpayments and overpayments for the first quarter of 2023, starting January 1st. The rate for payments made by individuals in excess of the amount that is owed, as well as on taxes owed but not fully paid, will be 7% per year compounded daily. That is up from the 6% in the third quarter, the Federal Tax Collection Agency said. The interest rate for overpayments by corporations will be 6% and 4.5% for any corporate overpayment over $10,000. The interest rate for large corporate underpayments will be 9%. The IRS determines its rates of interest on a quarterly basis under the Internal Revenue Code, and the rates for individuals are set at the federal short-term rate, plus 3 percentage points. Underpayment rates for corporations are generally the same as for individuals, while overpayment rates for companies are 2 points higher than the federal short-term rates. The new rates were calculated from the federal short-term rate from October. The stimulus payments in 2020 and 2021 were not taxable income because they were actually advance payments of tax credits. A tax credit is a dollar-for-dollar reduction in the amount of your tax liability. So typically, you claim a tax credit when you file your taxes. The credit is then used to offset any balance due, and in the case of a refundable tax credit, any excess comes to you in the form of a refund. So due to the severity of the crisis, Congress determined that sending payments to Americans immediately was a better course of action than waiting for them to claim the credit on their tax returns. That provided rapid relief from the severe economic repercussions of the crisis. And according to many experts, if taxpayers had been forced to wait until tax filing time to receive these credits, the financial consequences would have no doubt been much more severe. Well, my amazing and most beautiful friends, thank you so much, friends, for being part of this community. I want you all to know that I greatly appreciate every single one of you for being here this year. The winner of today's New Year's Eve Walmart gift card giveaway is Marlon Pico. Congratulations, my friend! To claim your gift card, please check your notifications page and send me a message. Or you can also message me on my Facebook page. My friends, I want to wish you and your family a very happy New Year's. And my best wishes for all of you is that this new year brings you many, many blessings and an abundance of happiness. Thank you so much, friends, and have a wonderful and blessed New Year's Eve.
Thank you. Mr. Speaker, the decision before us today is clear. Either we choose to do the job the American people elected us to do and vote for a good bipartisan, bicameral bill, or we shut down the government 2 days before Christmas as a massive storm wreaks havoc on Americans' holiday travel plans. It's as simple as that. Games like the one House Republicans are playing by using this bill as a political wedge to threaten their counterparts in the Senate is equal parts dangerous and destructive. As Republican Senator Kevin Cramer said, and I quote, "The reality is this kind of chest thumping and immaturity doesn't instill confidence in their ability to lead," end quote. You know, you hear it all the time. Don't let the perfect be the enemy of the good. I'll be one of the first to say that this bill isn't perfect. It doesn't address everything I wanted, nor does it address everything in the way I wanted. But it's a good bill. It was put together through hours of hard-fought negotiations that involved members in both chambers from both sides of the aisle. It's not anyone's fault but their own that House Republicans chose to walk away from the negotiating table. At the end of the day, we are here to legislate, to get stuff done. We are here to help the American people, and that requires us to keep the lights on. The last time Republicans held the majority in the House, they left us in a prolonged government shutdown that cost our